If you like keeping your car clean and tidy, but somehow it still ends up messy again the next day, then this handheld car vacuum cleaner from VESTARLUX is the perfect solution. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca WTI, and what I love about this tool is that it makes quick cleanups so easy without feeling like a big chore. What really stood out to me is that it's a 4-in-1 device. It vacuums, blows away dust, compresses storage bags, and even inflates items, making it incredibly versatile. I also love the fact that it's cordless, so I can just grab it and clean the car in a few minutes without dealing with cords or setups. Plus, it has 3 different speed levels, which is so practical. Inside the package, you get the handheld vacuum, multiple nozzle attachments for different cleaning areas, a charging cable, and all the accessories needed to switch between functions. It also comes with a storage box, which keeps everything easy to store and organize so nothing gets lost. I also really like that it's compact and lightweight because it means it doesn't take up too much space in the car, and it makes it super easy for me to bring it inside and out of the house. And that's just my point of view.